is something magical about a kitchen that tells a story. In today's world of fast-changing trends and mass-produced decor, many people are rediscovering the beauty of objects that have lived a previous life. Old glass jars tucked away in cabinets and vintage teapots gathering dust on shelves can become charming design elements once again. In this video, we explore 10 creative ways to transform these forgotten treasures into stunning decorative features that perfectly complement a romantic Grandmillennial kitchen. Prepare to see ordinary items become extraordinary focal points filled with warmth, nostalgia, and timeless character. One of the easiest and most beautiful ways to repurpose used jars is by creating an indoor herb garden. Imagine rows of glass jars sitting gracefully on a sunny windowsill, each filled with fresh basil, rosemary, mint, or thyme. The transparency of the jars allows you to appreciate the roots, soil textures, and vibrant greenery, adding natural beauty to the kitchen. To enhance the Grandmillennial aesthetic, tie delicate lace ribbons around the jar necks and add handwritten labels. This simple project combines practicality with old-fashioned charm, creating a kitchen that feels both functional and delightfully romantic. An old teapot can become the most enchanting floral arrangement in your kitchen. Instead of hiding antique teapots inside cabinets, place them proudly on your dining table or countertop and fill them with fresh seasonal flowers. Soft pink roses, hydrangeas, peonies, and delicate wildflowers beautifully complement the romantic Grandmillennial style. The curved silhouette of a vintage teapot naturally enhances the arrangement, making it feel elegant and effortless. This decorative touch instantly introduces color, softness, and a sense of timeless hospitality into the heart of the home. Storage can become decoration when designed thoughtfully. Rather than hiding ingredients in modern plastic containers, transfer flour, sugar, coffee beans, pasta, and dried herbs into an assortment of recycled glass jars. Arrange them on open shelves in varying heights and shapes to create visual interest. The result feels curated rather than cluttered. This layered display celebrates everyday kitchen essentials while maintaining a warm, collected appearance. It reflects the Grandmillennial love of practical beauty, where even the simplest household items contribute to the room's overall charm. Decorative shelves provide the perfect opportunity to showcase treasured teapots. Instead of displaying them individually, create a layered vignette using multiple teapots with different patterns, colors, and sizes. Combine floral porcelain pieces with stacked books, framed botanical prints, and small greenery accents. The contrast between textures creates depth while preserving a cohesive romantic atmosphere. This approach transforms an ordinary shelf into a visual storytelling piece, giving visitors the feeling that every object has a history and every corner of the kitchen has been lovingly curated. Used jars can easily become charming candle lanterns that introduce warmth and intimacy into the kitchen. By placing candles inside clear or lightly frosted jars, you create a soft glow that enhances the cozy ambience associated with Grandmillennial interiors. For extra character, wrap the jars with delicate ribbon, vintage fabric scraps, or decorative twine. During evening gatherings, the flickering candlelight reflects through the glass and casts gentle patterns throughout the room. The effect is subtle yet transformative, creating a kitchen that feels inviting, peaceful, and wonderfully nostalgic. A dedicated seasonal display corner allows vintage teapots to shine throughout the year. During spring, pair them with blooming flowers and pastel accessories. In autumn, surround them with dried leaves, miniature pumpkins, and warm-toned accents. Winter invites pine branches, candles, and festive touches, while summer welcomes fresh greenery and garden-inspired decor. By changing the styling around a collection of teapots, you can refresh the kitchen's appearance without major renovations. This flexibility keeps the space feeling dynamic while preserving its timeless romantic character. Some of the most meaningful decorations are those that hold personal memories. Repurpose glass jars as display containers for treasured kitchen-related keepsakes. Vintage recipe cards, antique measuring spoons, dried lavender, family baking notes, or heirloom cookie cutters can all become part of a beautiful visual collection. Arranged on shelves or countertops, these memory jars add authenticity and emotional depth to the room. They remind us that a truly beautiful kitchen is not only about design but also about preserving stories, traditions, and cherished family moments. For a creative and unexpected design feature, transform old teapots into hanging planters. Small trailing plants such as ivy, string of pearls, or delicate ferns look especially beautiful spilling over the edges of vintage teapots. Suspended near windows or in unused corners, these planters introduce vertical interest and soften hard kitchen surfaces. The combination of aged porcelain and living greenery perfectly captures the Grandmillennial spirit, blending elegance, nostalgia, and nature into a single decorative statement that feels both whimsical and sophisticated. A collection of used jars can become a stunning vase arrangement that brings effortless romance into the kitchen. Gather jars in different shapes, heights, and glass textures, then fill them with fresh flowers, dried blooms, or simple garden cuttings. Display them together on a windowsill, kitchen island, or breakfast table for a layered and collected look. The beauty of this idea lies in its flexibility. You can change the flowers with the seasons while keeping the jars themselves as permanent decorative elements. This simple arrangement captures the essence of Grandmillennial style, where beauty is created through thoughtful curation rather than expensive purchases. Create a dedicated tea station that celebrates the elegance of vintage teapots while enhancing your daily routine. Arrange a selection of teapots alongside matching teacups, sugar bowls, and decorative trays to form a charming beverage corner. Open shelving works particularly well for this display, allowing the intricate patterns and delicate details of each piece to become part of the room's decor. Beyond its visual appeal, a tea station encourages moments of relaxation and hospitality. It transforms an ordinary kitchen activity into a ritual, adding warmth and refinement that perfectly align with the romantic Grandmillennial lifestyle. While jars and teapots provide beautiful focal points, the surrounding details help bring the entire look together. Floral curtains, embroidered table runners, ruffled linens, and vintage-inspired cushions contribute softness and texture to the space. These elements complement the nostalgic character of repurposed decor without overwhelming it. Mixing patterns thoughtfully creates depth and visual richness while maintaining harmony throughout the kitchen. The goal is not perfection but personality. Grandmillennial design thrives on layers of comfort, making the room feel lived in, welcoming, and filled with cherished memories. One reason Grandmillennial kitchens feel so timeless is their ability to blend vintage treasures with modern convenience. Used jars and antique teapots can coexist beautifully alongside contemporary appliances and updated cabinetry. This balance prevents the room from feeling outdated while preserving its nostalgic charm. A modern coffee machine placed near a collection of vintage jars, or sleek countertops paired with floral teapots, creates an appealing contrast that feels authentic and personal. The result is a kitchen that honors the past while comfortably serving present-day needs. Lighting is the final ingredient that brings every decorative element to life. Soft, warm lighting enhances the reflective surfaces of glass jars and highlights the delicate details found on vintage teapots. Consider warm-toned pendant lights, classic wall sconces, or subtle under-cabinet lighting to create a cozy glow throughout the kitchen. During the evening, candle lanterns made from repurposed jars become even more magical, adding layers of warmth and intimacy. Proper lighting not only improves functionality but also amplifies the romantic ambience that defines a truly beautiful Grandmillennial kitchen. As we've seen, used jars and vintage teapots offer far more than simple storage or serving functions. With a little creativity, they can become meaningful design features that add beauty, personality, and romance to any Grandmillennial kitchen. From herb gardens and floral arrangements to hanging planters and glowing lanterns, each idea demonstrates how everyday objects can be transformed into timeless decor. We hope these 10 creative ideas inspire you to look at forgotten treasures in a new way and create a kitchen that feels warm, welcoming, and uniquely your own. Thank you for joining Decoholic, and we look forward to sharing more inspiring home decor ideas with you in our next video.